Today I'm going to show you how to disable the tab groups button in Chrome quickly and safely. If you've been distracted by tab groups appearing in your browser or you just want a cleaner, simpler Chrome experience, this tutorial will walk you through the exact settings to change. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You may notice that in newer versions of Chrome, tab group features can appear automatically, even if you never intended to use them. That's because Chrome often enables experimental or built-in features in the background, and the tab groups button is one of those things many users want to turn off. Now click inside the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where we're going to access Chrome's hidden settings page. Type in chrome://flags and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome Flags, which is the experimental features page where Google stores a lot of browser options that aren't available in the normal settings menu. Once the Flags page loads, look at the search box at the top of the page. Click into that search field and type tab groups. Chrome will instantly filter the available experimental settings and show you tab group related options. This makes it much easier to find the exact features we need to disable. Now, you'll want to look through the results carefully. The key options you need to change are Tab Groups Focusing, NTP Tab Groups Module, NTP Tab Groups Zero State Card, and Shared Tab Group Messaging Sync. These are the settings most commonly tied to tab group behavior and related UI elements inside Chrome. For each one of these options, click the drop-down menu next to it. By default, they will usually be set to default. Change each one from default to disabled. Make sure you do this for all 4 settings, because leaving even one of them unchanged may allow tab group features to continue showing up in your browser. Take your time here and double check each setting before moving on. Once all 4 flags are set to disabled, you're ready for the last step. At the bottom of the page, or sometimes near the lower right corner, you'll see a relaunch button. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the changes. Chrome will close and reopen automatically. After it reloads, the tab groups button and the related tab group features should be disabled, giving you a more minimal browsing experience. If you don't see the change right away, you can close Chrome completely and open it again once more, just to make sure the settings fully take effect. And that's it. You've now disabled the tab groups button in Chrome by changing the correct flags and relaunching the browser. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy browser tips and computer guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.